Hi guys and girls, so today's lesson we're going to have a quick look at the Flam Tap. This will be quite a short lesson, it is one of the rudiments, so definitely worth learning and getting in your vocabulary. Let's get into it. Hi there guys, welcome to today's lesson. So today's lesson is on the Flam Tap. It's all in 4/4 and we're just going to keep it on the snare drum just to keep it nice and simple. You start off with a flam. If you're not sure what the flam is, I'll put a link at the top hand corner, and if you watch that video I'll teach you how to play a flam, and then you come back to this one and then you can have the tap on the end. So it starts off with the flam and then you have a double stroke on a quaver. Okay, so you have the flam followed by a quaver. Now this allows you to put flams in when you're doing double strokes. So if you're doing double strokes around the kit, it makes it a lot easier to add in flams rather than having to revert back to single strokes. Okay, so the sticking for this is right with the ghost note on the start of the flam, left, left, and then left ghost note on the flam, right, right. Okay, so as usual, I'll put the music down below and I'll play this for you. Let's get into it. Okay then, so we'll start with the flam. Just to remind you, so left hand lead and right hand lead, so we'll start with the right hand flam. So remember, your first note is a ghost note, second note's later. And same again with the left hand lead. And alternates, okay? So now where the tap comes in, you go flam, okay, so we're going to go, so if you lead with your right, followed by another, so right, left, left, right, left, 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 right, right. So you can see the double stroke. Just allows you to keep playing doubles with adding the flam in there, okay? So I'll do it nice and slow again for you. So flam, right hand lead, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap. Left hand lead, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap. Okay, right hand lead, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap. Left hand lead, flam, tap, tap, okay. So speed it up a little bit. Sorry. Okay, so speed it up a little bit. And left hand lead. Okay, so that's basically it. That's the whole lesson. It's not nice and easy, something nice and simple to start the day off with. So once again, just to keep it nice and slow, so flam, whichever hand you lead with, your double stroke is on the opposite hand, okay? So if you lead with your right with your flam, it's two lefts. And vice versa, you lead with your left, it's two rights. Okay? So, as I said, same with everything, you can take this around your kit. Sorry, first studio's falling apart. You can take this back to your kit, you can do it around the toms, on your hi-hat. There's lots of applications for it, even while you're doing sort of double stroke. You can just add it in. Yeah, so just take it away, have a lot of fun with it, play about with it, and just see where it takes you. It is one of the rudiments, so it's one of these things that is definitely worth learning. As I say with everything, I'm still learning myself, I'm still going over these things. It's not something that I use a lot. I generally play a lot of single strokes when I play, but it is definitely worth learning, something definitely worth going over. Okay, so we'll leave it there. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.